बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मैसेजेस, लिसन एंड रीड विथ मी। सुनिए और मेरे साथ साथ दोहराइए। ह्यूमन बीइंग्स कैन स्पीक, दे कैन टॉक टू वन अनदर, दे कैन पास ऑन messages, they know how to write, so they can write letters. Long ago, messengers walked or ran all the way to take a message. Sometimes they rode horses, sometimes they used trained pigeons to carry messages. Some people used drums to send messages to far away places. Some people used smoke signals. Later, people began to send letters through the post office. They used postcard or inland letters, envelopes, etc. They had to put postal stamps on the envelopes or parcels before sending them off. Later on, people started using electrical signals. Telegraph machines were used to send or receive these messages. These messages were called telegrams. The telephone. People made telephone calls from one place to another. And now we also have mobile or cellular or cell phone, or we can speak on the cell phone, or we can send an SMS, a written message. We can send emails using the internet on the computer. We can use many sites to talk to friends and other people. It is now so easy to send a message.
Very good, shabash.